Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix any Tesla keycard that's not working. First, make sure you're placing the card correctly. Hold it flat against the driver's side door pillar, just below the camera for 1 to 2 seconds. Next, clean your keycard and the sensor area with a soft cloth to remove dust or smudges. If you have another Tesla key card, try using it to see if the issue is with your original card. Restart your car. Go to Controls, then Safety and Power Off. Wait a few minutes, then press the brake pedal to power it back on. Next, reprogram your key card. Remove it from your Tesla system and add it again using the touchscreen or Tesla app. If none of these steps work, contact Tesla support. Your card or reader may need to be replaced. And that's it. Your Tesla key card should be working again. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.